Hello everyone, this is Jyothi here. I have selected a couple of topics from the predicted questions which appear from May to August 2025, that is speaking for us part 1 questions. So the first topic I have chosen is about praise and encouragement. Have you had any achievements recently? Recently, I achieved my goal of becoming a best-selling author. It had always been my aspiration to write and publish books, and I accomplished that a few months ago. How do you feel when you're praised? I feel absolutely thrilled when someone acknowledges my work with a pat on my back. Conversely, if they shower me with insincere compliments, it leaves me feeling let down and disheartened. It's truly uplifting when someone appreciates your efforts and motives with a kind word. When was the last time you praised someone? I work as an English trainer and make it a point to congratulate my students when they achieve success and do well on their exams. Just last month, I praised a student for excelling in his exam with outstanding results. Do you think parents should often praise and encourage their children? In my view, it is important for parents to acknowledge their children's accomplishments, and as a form of encouragement, they should reward their kids with some treats. Have you ever been praised or encouraged by your teacher? During my high school years, I excelled in English, and my teacher would motivate me to deepen my knowledge and praise me for my achievements in front of the entire class, leaving me feeling elated.
Dear viewers, thank you for taking this listening test. Please let me know about your score in the comments section below. Keep on practicing. It's the only way to be successful. We are planning to upload more IELTS helpful videos. Please subscribe to our channel, IELTS Listening. Thank you.